Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Yeah, and let's get into this. So today we want to make yogurts and mala. We've been buying yogurt a lot. Sindio Baba? We've been buying yogurt a lot. So now we decided to make it ourselves. So we're using this milk. This milk is like 3 liters. Sindio? This is like 3 liters of milk. And moja itakuwa ya yogurt and then ingine itakuwa ya mala. So we are making yogurt and mala. Yeah, but I'm going to boil zote pamoja. So the only ingredients you need ni hizo tu. As in for yogurt you just need milk and yogurt, and for mala you just need milk and mala. This is
fresh
going to act as your starter. Fresh milk, yes, fresh milk. This is going to act as your starter. This is going to act as your starter. Okay, yeah. So you bring the milk to a boil. Ikianza tu kuboil unazima, and then you stir so that it does not form the cream. Sindio Baba? And then you keep on stirring until it cools to about lukewarm. Ikuwe hivi lukewarm. So that unaweza wekelea hapa na usichomeke. Okay? Ikifika hapo now you can mix with your yogurt and your mala. Now we keep place warm. So the warmest place in my house is my oven. So that's where we're going to keep them. Anyway, let's get into it. Let's boil the milk. Nimedhani imeingia huko. Milk 1. And we are going to use chupa moja, one of these bottles. We are going to use it kuweka mala. Mala inakuanga poa ikiwa kwa chupa, kibuyu. Yeah. So nitaiweka hapa. Nitaiweka kwa one of these bottles. Nini baba? Unashuka? Ni nyingi. So let's bring this milk to a boil. We are also making supper. Funiko imeenda? Oh Lord. Tutaangalia tuseme. Jina imeingia tu hapa hivi.
Hey. Hi. Tata.
So the milk is beginning to heat. Okay. Just waiting for it to boil. You just want to bring it to a boil and then tuzimie moto. Kichemka tu, we switch off the fire. We turn off the fire. Hey, careful. Ui.
Atiza na nguo zetu. Disappoint na mango.
No, learn careful.
Nimegonga boom boom.
So the milk has boiled, as you can see. Unaona? It is boiling. So don't overboil it. Ikiboil hivyo unazima moto. Okay? And then you're going to transfer it. Hapo kabla hivi. We're going to transfer it kwa maji. Hapa. And then you keep stirring. Endelea kukoroga tu. Though you can just leave it bado tu without stirring. You can just leave it without stirring and then you sieve. Though hata hii bado I feel like I'm going to sieve. Yeah. So, kuipoesha tu sasa. So we've brought it to a good temperature. Should be like that. It does not burn. Warm but does not burn. Yes, not cold. Isikwe baridi. So now we are almost done. Utafikia huku juu.
Unakula waru.
So now tazigawa. Tagawanisha hii maziwa. I'm going to sieve just because si lazima. It's not a must. You don't have to do this. Gani na kwa nyingi. Mala mayoga chikati. Unaona ilikuwa na tu cream. So that's why it's good to sieve. Unaona? Easy. Aya. What's the other one? No. Okay. There you go. Then now we are going to start with the yogurt. We are using Tuzo. But we're not going to use all of this. Ini nyingi. Natumia kale kadogo. Kana kuanga sijui ml ngapi. Yeah, 60 bob. 200 ml. Around hapo, si ndio? So, hii sitaweka yote. Niwarukia. Just put like that and mix that up. Make sure we mix vizuri. Okay. Unaweza tumia natural yogurt. Unaweza tumia strawberry. Because after yogurt yako imetengenezeka, you're still going to add your flavors and sugar if you want. Okay? Because the vanilla yogurt that we've put in here is not enough to give it the vanilla taste. It's not enough to make it a vanilla yogurt. No. But it's enough to make yogurt. We go in with the mala. This is the mala we love. So we are using this one. Sina makasi, so nimeuma. And then mix it in here. This one I'm going to put all of it. Juu inakuanga light. Hata mala pia itakuwa kidogo. I think cause nimeweka hii yote. There. And just mix that. Unaona difference? Unaona hivi inakaa na bado haijaanza kuform. Let's hope ita turn fiti. So this one we are going to transfer it to the bottle. Ndio ikishatengenezeka tufanye hivi. So we're going to put this here. Umechoka? Going to put this here.
Takuona.
Na magika.
Nilikuwa nachungulia. Nataka kuona.
Wait baba. Mimi ndio nimeshachoka mkono. Nasikia nikanda imwaga chini. Haya. Let's continue.
Kai.
Nolan. Umeshaimaliza. Acha mala si kidogo precious.
Yeah.
So, our mala is going to stay there and then tutaifunikia tuna kitchen towel and then tuiweke huko. But yogurt is going to stay here. Naona ni kama this thing does not cover enough. What do you think? Umefunika tu vizuri? So we do that, and also with a kitchen towel we cover this, and then in we go. Oh yeah, one, and the next one. Kwa nataka kumalizana na hizi ndo tupike haraka haraka sasa. Nabakisha kupika stew. Two. Gege, pressure. Itasimama kweli. Hailezi. Bado.
Hawezi ingiza alafu isimamishe mbele. Kama bend. Bado. Still.
Hivyo. Cheka hivyo. Okay. Ni light yangu. So, we're going to come and check on those things in about 12 hours. 12 hours tutakuja tuangalie. We see kama zimekuwa poa, kama bado we give them a little bit more time. Sindio? But for now, let's make dinner. Yogurt tunaweka. It's a little over 2 hours, so let's check on our yogurt. Yogurt is done. I think I left it for longer, but iko poa. So I'm beating it iko smooth. Then I'm going to put kidogo here for Nolan, and then the rest you're going to put some sugar and flavor. Is it vanilla essence? Enough for Nolan. And then we put some vanilla essence here. And taleta sukari. We put some sugar, mix, and that's going to be our vanilla yogurt. If you don't like yours sweetened, you can leave it like that. It's going to be natural yogurt. And the more you keep it in fridge, the more it thickens. So consistency is ikushtue. We're making our vanilla yogurt. Hey Baba. Hi. Yeah. So this is our vanilla yogurt, and this one is natural yogurt for the baby. mala on the other side. Mala on the other side, it's not really giving. It's too light. Maybe I should leave it for longer. It does smell like mala, yes, but in light. It is mala, but too light. What do I do? Nirudishe. Let's keep this also to okay for a little bit longer. We'll see if it's going to change. I'm supposed to add mala. Si mala inaikanga maziwa peke yake tu na inakuwa. Kama si lazima uweke place joto. I don't know. Just hii yanikasirisha, but yogurt is good. Yogurt iko sawa. Mala, let's keep it here. A little bit longer, and then we'll check on it later, because I don't know why it's not as thick as I want it to be. But yogurt is fine. Ile mmeona yogurt iko sawa. Ukiweka kwa fridge inakuwa even thicker. So we put it here. This one is natural for Nolan. That one is natural. No sweetener. And then this one vanilla. Tutakunywa tu baadaye. This is supposed to be like cheese, the cream cheese. Nilikuwa na drain maji. I will work on that later. I'll work on it later. Let's wait for that mala. Give it, tutaangalia jioni. We'll check on it in the evening. Yeah, and then see. Isipotamu vizuri, I don't know. No, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Yeah, so see you. We'll see you later when we check on it again. I don't know what's happening with this mala. You see how it is separating? You can tell where the milk is, and it's very light. Hebu mniambie what I did wrong. Please tell me what I did wrong, because the yogurt turned out very nicely, but the mala has refused. Munipe tips. Nipatie tips of what to do to make the best mala. Because this one has refused. Anyway, it's going to be the end of this video. Kindly try the yogurt. The yogurt turned okay, so try the yogurt recipe and tell me how it turns out. But for this mala, mimi nataka mnipe tips. Alright, it's a bye-bye for now. Kindly like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.